Selecting articles for your Comm 200 assignment.
Social Science Edition.
There are 3 things you need to look at in order to determine if the article will work for this assignment. Is your article
Scholarly?
from a communication studies journal?
Does it include data?
The first thing you need to do is make sure your results only include scholarly journal articles. It is vital you click on the option for peer-reviewed articles before you hit search.
If you forget to do so before you hit search, you can always select Peer Review, an academic journal on the results page. The menu is located on the left-hand side of the screen.
The second thing you need to do is determine if your article is published in a communication studies journal.
Just because a journal article is found in the communication source database doesn't mean it is a communication journal. The only sure way to know if you found an article in a communication journal is to check on the list.
The list can be found in 2 places. On the Communication Research Guide and in the Contents section of your Comm 200 Beachboard course.
Always have the Comm journal list on an open tab while you search for articles. Here are the steps to tell if an article is in a Comm journal. 1. Do a search in the database. 2. Determine the name of the journal for the article that you are interested in. 3. Check the list to see if the name of the journal is there. There are 3 ways to find the journal title in Communication Source.
When you are looking at the results page, the name of the journal can be found after the names of the authors.
If you click on a record, you will see a dedicated field for the name of the journal. It is always listed on the source line.
The last way to quickly determine the name of the journal is to click on the site icon and look at the APA reference. The journal title will always be in italics.
The third thing to find out is if your article contains quantitative research.
Quantitative research gathers data and performs statistical or computational analysis.
The method section will help you determine who or what was studied and how they were studied.
Your population needs to match across all 3 articles. They should share one commonality, such as college students, romantic couples, or adolescents.
The method section usually has 2 parts: a header called Participants and a header called Procedure.
The procedure section helps you find out what was done. Look for surveys, questionnaires, measures, or scales. These are words that let you know quantitative data is being collected.
Avoid articles that contain focus groups, interviews, textual analysis, or only include open-ended questions. These are not quantitative methodologies.
Another clue your articles are collecting data is charts and graphs with statistical analysis.
All of your articles should be in academic journals, preferably Comm, query a specific population, and include a lot of data.
To evaluate your articles, you will be looking at the methods section. When you write your paper for your assignment, you will be focusing on other parts of the article.
The discussion section and further research are the best place to quote from the article. It will provide analysis of the results and help you find commonalities across your articles.
You got this. If you need any additional help, contact me by email or come by the library to talk in person.